Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can unfollow everyone on TikTok account at once. It's like an impossible thing that you can unfollow all of your followings that you have followed. So let me show you how you can do it by a simple steps. You have to simply log into your account on TikTok and go to your profile and go to your followings, and then you will see bunch of followers that you have following that you have followed. So you have to simply click on their profile picture, or like you can see beside their name you will see following button. So you have to simply click on that and then simply unfollow them, and then you will see the second one as well. You have to simply click on another unfollowing, so you have to simply click on that and unfollow them as well. You can do it by this, and this gonna be like easy way to unfollow everyone on your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.